This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments here for November 19th, 2020. Corn market down 3 1/4, beans up 1 3/4, Chicago wheat down 6, Minneapolis down 4, Kansas City down 9. Really a market that had kind of a back and forth day, but at the end of it here, wasn't all too bad for the corn and soybean markets. What kind of looked like a risk-off potential start to the morning due to Brazilian rains as well as COVID uncertainty resulted in a market that traded both sides kind of choppy here today. So we'll see what tomorrow brings as we close out the week and also as we approach the Thanksgiving holiday. We're right up against these highs for both corn and soybeans. Marketing measures of importance right now. Kind of trail these with a stop setback point or set your targets and be ready to market as we get into them. But it's just kind of a matter of there's a lot of uncertainty, a lot of unknowns, and we're at some very good prices. But right now the price counts to extend. 440 in corn looks to be the next key of resistance. In soybeans, 1245 really the next big price count, but we struggled here a little bit at this 1180, 1190 mark, so just awareness factors up. Feeder cattle down 25 to 202.5, live cattle down 240 to 262.5, hog market down 210 to 285. That's where we saw a much greater liquidation phase. We feel some of it tied here just to the pure price setup, sellers showing up today, but also concerns over restaurant closures across Minnesota and other states here just brings uncertainty over usage. We've seen cutout values soar here. That indicates similarities to what we saw in April and May when Packers margins went up and cash cattle prices struggled. So we'll see what shakes loose there. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Traded in futures and options involves risk of loss. It is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.